Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are exploring the transformative insights of Mind Management, Not Time Management by David Cadwy. Join us as we learn how to harness the power of our minds to boost productivity and creativity. Lesson 1: Understanding your brain's limitations. In essence, understanding the limitations of our brains is the first step towards effective mind management. By acknowledging these limitations and implementing strategies to work with rather than against our brain's natural tendencies, we can cultivate great focus, resilience, and success in our personal and professional lives. Lesson 2: Prioritizing mental energy. Prioritizing mental energy involves recognizing its finite nature, identifying peak energy times, allocating high impact tasks accordingly, and replenishing mental reserves through rest and renewable activities. By managing mental energy effectively, we can enhance productivity, focus, and overall well-being in both work and life. Lesson 3: Leveraging your circadian rhythms. Cadwy explores how syncing our activities with our natural rhythms can optimize productivity and enhance well-being. In essence, leveraging our circadian rhythms involves understanding our body's natural cycles and aligning our activities with them to optimize productivity, focus, and well-being. And 4: Embracing mindfulness activities. In essence, embracing mindfulness activities practices as outlined by David Cadwy, mind management, not time management, empowers us to cultivate greater awareness and resilience and well-being in all aspects of our life, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity and fulfillment. And 5: Designing your environment for success. In essence, designing your environment for success involves creating a workplace that supports your productivity, creativity, and well-being. By optimizing your physical space, eliminating distractions, and surrounding yourself with inspiration, you can create an environment that fosters focus, motivation, achievements in your endeavors. 6: Nurturing creativity and inspiration. Nurturing creativity and inspiration involves cultivating a curious mindset, embracing solitude and reflection, creating a stimulating environment, and honoring the creative process itself. By prioritizing activities that spark our imagination and passion, we can unleash our full creative potential and make meaningful contribution to the world. 7: Setting intentions and boundaries. Emphasizes the importance of setting clear intentions and boundaries to protect our time and energy for unnecessary distractions. Intentions and boundaries is a powerful practice, aligning your actions with your priorities, protecting your time and energy, and fostering greater clarity and focus and fulfillment in life. 8: Cultivating a growth mindset. Cadwy urges us to adopt a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and personal development. In essence, cultivating a growth mindset empowers us to embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and unleash our full potential for learning and personal development. In practicing self-compassion and rest, Cadwy highlights the significance of self-care and rest in replenishing our mental reserves and preventing burnout. In essence, practicing self-compassion and rest is essential for maintaining optimal mental and physical health, preventing burnout, and fostering resilience in the face of life's challenges. Taking action and iterating underscores the importance of taking consistent action towards our goals, adjusting our approach as needed through continuous iteration and experimentation. Habit 10 Transformative Principles and Lessons from Mind Management, Not Time Management by David Cadwy. By these insights, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater productivity, creativity, and fulfillment in life. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, master your mind and unleash your true potential. Signing off, Maheshwari.